Energy Globe is a worldwide label. We are proud of that. Energy Globe was creating a lot of awareness and a lot of best examples. How could it work? Not only to discuss these matters, but to prove that it's working in practice. And we, the Global Chamber Platform, 100 million companies, we are oriented to practical delivery. And therefore we are ready and willing to pick up the challenges of climate change and find appropriate, innovative answers.
Now I'm feeling very, very good. We have 5 minutes to starting the 20th Energy Globe World Award. And I'm very, very happy because when we started 20 years ago, I was thinking, okay, maybe some years we will get good projects, and after this, every year the same. And when I look today, there are amazing projects of all parts of the world. Each project shows us solutions for other problems. And I can say today, yes, we have about 25,000 projects. And these are solutions for all problems in our world. And I think that makes me very happy. Because on the one side we say, oh, the world will break down and so on. And they say, no, we solved the problem with ozone hole. We solve also the problem with climate change. But one thing is necessary. We have to use these projects. We have to act sustainable. And if we work together from the side of consumers, entrepreneurs, and also the political side, I think there's no problem. We will have also a livable world for the next generation, for our children.